How to add assignees in Clickup. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to create a task and add or assign that task to a specific assignee or a member from the crew or the group. So it is going to be very simple and very easy. You're going to head over clickup.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to face up the dashboard. Now, before I head over the specific steps that we are going to follow, I'm going to define what is going to be the assignees or the assignee itself. So the assignees or the assignee, it is going to be the person that has the specific role of making the task done. So the role of as an assignee is to make sure that the task is going to be done. That means that the task is going to be defined for that specific person that is called assignee. Now, how we can add the assignee, or how rather than that, how we can add the task and the assignee for it. So we are going to head over the left side of the screen. We're going to see the different spaces in here at the bottom side in here. We're going to select one of the, let's say, workspace that we have. And then we're going to select from it the specific service or the specific, let's say, here task or the quality service that we are going to have. For example, the ticket system is going to be here having a lot of, as you can see, set up. We have bookmarks, we have different, as you can see, services. So we're going to have here the customer support. So how here, as you can see, we have some milestones and some tasks. How we can create a task? Either you are going to click on the empty space in here that will show you add task. So you can go ahead and click on the drop down menu and change the create to task, milestone, form response, or something. Or you can go ahead and click on the, as you can see here, purple button called add task from here. So you're going to have here the task, type of the task, and here you are going to put the task name, add a description for it, set it up as, for example, here a backlog and active with the person or something like that. You can go ahead and set up the assignees and etc. So let's say that we're going to have here maybe I'm going to remove that person and we're going to see the button assignee instead. So we are going to type the name of the task. For example, verification of the, let's say, invoices, for example. Invoices, just like that. You can add here a, as you can see, a description, and then you can add whatever you want. Now, for the assignees, you can go ahead and click on assignee and see all the assignee, or you can go ahead and enter an email. Then you're going to add them like that. Click on create. The assignee is going to be having an email that will notify them about the task that you have created for them, and also they can have the shortcut to check it out. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.